Hello, welcome. If you are new here, I am Tammy, and this is Isaac's Rusty Wagon. If you can see the mess behind me, I'm starting to drag out my fall decor. Not the totes or anything, but just the decor I have inside the cabinets inside the house. And so today, I'm going to take you around my kitchen and my foyer and show you the decor in there and what I've done, and that's what I've decided to do this year for fall. I've decided to divide it up into like small individual videos of rooms, and then when that is all done, then I will do a whole home tour at the very end of decorating. So it is a quite exciting time right now around here until the big day. So while I had a few days, I decided to just go ahead and get started. Just go ahead and pull out what I had in the house and get started decorating. So that is what I've done. And I hope you enjoy the video. And if you do, please hit that like button for me and share and comment and all that, because all of that really, truly helps with the algorithm and helps my account to grow. So I truly appreciate it. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Hello and welcome. What I have decided to do this year is I am going to do individual room fall tours, and then when I get everything done, I will do a whole house tour of everything. So I'm starting a little early, I know, but I have my daughter's wedding, my son's got stuff going on too, so so things are very, very busy right now, so I had to get started when I could. So I started in here in the kitchen, and if you've seen last year's Christmas video and pictures, I did a really pretty garland above my kitchen window. So I decided this year for fall to do one too. And I hope that the video captures how cute it really is. I have just started with a basic garland as I showed earlier, and I've put on some fake pumpkins, some sprigs, and used pipe cleaners to tie on some vintage green handle utensils. And nothing's glued on. It's either wired on or pipe cleanered on, or just stuck in there. A lot of the picks are just stuck in there. So, but I thought it turned out really cute. And then it's just a piece of vintage fabric that I put on clips and hung up there. And then we have a ceramic pumpkin that I've had for years and a little berry wreath. And then I have a little bit of Johanna Parker right here and some florals, and then more fake pumpkins. I tried to keep it simple this year. Simple for me, not simple for a lot of people, but simple for me. And it may change as I get decorating the rest of the house. It absolutely could change. And if it does, you'll see it when I do the whole house tour. But I don't think it will. I am really happy with the way it has turned out. So I don't look for it to change. And if it does, it will probably be just small touches here and there. So I was going to put some stuff up above on the top, but I just didn't want to do anything that would take away from your attention above the window. So I didn't add anything up there this year. But I usually have my Johanna Parker all over the counters and my mugs hanging and things like that. And this year, I will show you where I've put them in here. I've got a little bit right here. But I have combined them. Can't see it right now, but I have combined them all on a shelf. Except for Gus, he's over there sitting on a little pedestal. You hear my lunch warming up. So over here on this shelf where I usually have my vintage cookie jars, I took them out and just have put them up until fall season is over. And I decided to combine my Johanna Parker. Now, everything in here is not Johanna Parker, but this is where most of my collection is. I do not have a large collection, but I do really like her designs. They are so cute. So I've just made a little display. Like I said, there's some other off-brand things in here and some redone, but I just thought that looked really cute, keeping it all together. I sort of did that last year on the shelf that was in the foyer living room area. This year I decided to keep it all in here in the kitchen. And then when you come over here, I haven't really did anything on my peg rack this year. And I usually do, but this year I felt like it was good the way it is. And then just a fall apron. And then just little touches over here. My grandma's apron. Well, it's my great-grandmother's apron. And just a towel. And a little, I think that might have come from the Dollar Tree or Walmart, that little fall cutting board. That's a Walmart reef right there. And then on this side of the island, I've just hung some fall tea towels and a pot holder. My husband bought me this cute candy corn tree last year. It's just adorable. Luckily, it sits right here on top of the refrigerator without falling. And also when I end up doing the whole house tour, my window box outside will be decorated for fall. Right now it's still summer, so I haven't switched it out yet. But it always looks so cute. I won't say always because it's only been up since last year. But last year when I had pumpkins outside in the window box, and then you could see them in here too. So I'm excited to do this window box. There's a collection of some of my old brooms. I just have them hanging on a horse bit. If you haven't seen it before, this is my collection of nutmeg grinders, which I also have hanging on a horse bit. And then just some tiny baskets. And some of my old cutting boards. right, and so the kitchen is basically done for now. Like I said, I may tweak it a little bit and be sure to share with you when I do the whole house tour. But for right now, this is how I'm leaving it. Usually I do a garland, a leaf and rag garland up my staircase, and I do like it, and I may add it in later. Sure to leave me a comment and let me know what is your favorite thing, and if you have any ideas, if you think, oh, I think you should do this differently or whatever, let me know. Because sometimes hearing other people's opinion helps me see things that I may not have noticed on my own. So but I thank you so much for stopping by today. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope that you will give it a thumbs up. And like I said, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching today. I really appreciate it. I don't know how many of you remember the Christmas garland I put above my kitchen window last year, and had like pot holders and vintage utensils and all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna try to include a little picture in here, but I don't know if I know how to do it. Anyway, I've decided to do a fall one this year above my kitchen window. So I had this garland that I bought from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. It had more flowers on it, but I didn't like the colors that they were. So I pulled off most of them and just left some of the whites and the yellows and oranges on it. And most of it is just like greens and greenery and sticks and things like that as the base. So this is what I'm going to be using to start the garland that I want to put above the kitchen window. Right now it looks like a big mess, but this is what I have piled up for inspiration. And I also have some more things in the other room. All right, don't swipe away. I know that it looks like a big old mess right now, but I promise you it's gonna be okay. These are just some more fake florals and leaves and things that are my fall that I may add on to that garland. And then I had to drag out 3 of my 4 cabinets that have the decor. The only one I didn't was the one that's filled with my Johanna Parker. But so this is where I'm starting. I'm just gonna try to make the window garland and decide what to do with this stuff. Show you first my very favorite pumpkins that I've had at least 20 years, maybe 25. They come from old-time pottery years and years and years ago. But look at the wonderful design of them. They're ceramic, so some of them do have a little bit of damage to them, but I don't care. You can't really see it. But these are my favorite. All right, this is what I have for now. It's just a garland, and I wired on some fake pumpkins and then just wired or just stuck picks all inside there. And it's resting on 3 nails, 1 on each corner and 1 in the middle. And I could leave it like this, and I think it looks good. I think it looks okay, but I think I am going to add these vintage green handle utensils to it too, because you know me, more is more. So I just think for being in here in the kitchen, you know, to have utensils hanging on it like I did at Christmas time would look really cute. So that's the plan, and we'll see how it goes.